Hello, this is the Gold Zero Tank, Yeti Tank. I had just got this and it was busted apart, being dropped. And this is what you get for, $450. Nothing to hold the battery down, secure the battery. Like a 3D printer printed it out. And he has some screws to hold it together. Look, all the screws is holding it down. And this is what you get. That's the name of the battery. And you get a couple wires. Let's see if I can put this up so you can see the name of the wires. Just to hold up on the flashlight. There you go. This is the wires, and this is how it came out. I had to take it apart because it was dropped. I didn't want this thing to start a fire inside the apartment. The wires are tight. This is all it is. Is this worth this? The amount of money you're asking you for it? No. Nothing to hold the battery still, so if it was dropped, it's nothing to secure it. It's just placed inside the cabbage, like the carriage area. Cabbage. It is a cabbage. The carriage area. And that's it. It's dropped in there. Nothing holding it down to secure. Nothing to bolt it down. This is what is going on in the world of the day. The product of Gold Zero. I'll show you the name. This is Gold Zero. I have to take the other one apart and inspect the battery because it hit the case hard because it's nothing to hold the top down. So if it's dropped or being bounced around in shipping, you gotta make sure that the battery. Let me make sure it's secured. My advice is to inspect all things that come from out of there. This is what the Gold Zero looked like. Thank God I didn't do no damage. And I'm not shipping nothing back because I can't afford to, be lifting this back and forth and carrying things all around. I'm too old for this shit. I think, my personal opinion, I paid my money. This is my personal opinion. The Patriot, storage one is more sturdier. That's still, you drop that, you ain't damaging the battery. Nothing coming loose on that. This one will jump right through the body of the cab. So good luck if you have one of these. There's no special wires, no fuses. So I wanted to inspect the wires. I thought there's fuses in this tank that, so if something shorted out. Nope, this bad boy will start a fire and it's rubbing on each other. The ground wire, so this is what you get. No fuses. And if it gets a short here, you burn it all down. This is great workmanship. No fuses. How the hell can you sell something like this? This is something that I could just put two batteries together and just got the wire harness by itself and did it myself. I thought this would be a little bit more professional than this. I would never buy another one of these again. Thank you. This is my personal opinion. I paid with my money. I say what I want to say.